Hey guys, what's up? It's me, JT, and welcome back to my channel. So for today's video, I'll be teaching you guys another song to play on the ukulele. And a lot of you guys have been requesting me to teach this song because this is the official soundtrack of the Hello, Love, Goodbye, yung bagong movie ni Catherine and ni Alden. But before we dive into our tutorial, mag-shoutout muna tayo. So, shoutout kay Kirk Andre Lorenzo, kay Frank Como, Janine Tongol, Charm Angel, Serafika, Dalen Mendez, James Gabriel, Faye Ramones, Kahimo, and Rachel, Razor, the awesome boy, and lastly, shoutout kay Joyce Pelonio. Ayan, maraming salamat po sa inyong lahat. And if you want to be mentioned on my next video, so just drop your names on the comment section below. So wag na natin patagalin yung intro na to. Grab your ukulele because today I'm gonna teach you how to play Ikaw at Ako by Moira and Jason. So I decided to make two videos for this song, one for the strumming and one for the blocking because I posted a poll sa Facebook page ko and a lot of you guys were commenting na sana both, sana all. And naisip ko din na okay, so why not, 'di ba? So para sa mga beginners, this is very friendly for you because strumming muna tayo ngayon. Okay? So we have two main strumming patterns for this song. First one is the down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And if you're a regular viewer of my tutorials, then this strumming pattern is not new to you. Sobrang gas-gas na ng strumming pattern na to. And this strumming pattern can be applied to almost all of the songs na same rhythm. So, ganun. So in order to play that strumming pattern, ayan, position lang natin yung chord of D. 1, 2, 3. Ayan. And then let's try to do the strumming pattern first. 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Slower. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Again. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Ayan. And then the next strumming pattern that we have here is a down, down, up, down, up. Again, position mo yung chord of D. And then let's do the second strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. Okay, ganun na siya kadali. Again, down, down, up, down, up. Again, balik tayo sa first strumming pattern. Down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Second strumming pattern. Down, down, up, down, up. So first thing that you need to do is you need to position the chord of D. Ayan, 1, 2, 3. Ito yung first chord natin. And di ba yung strumming pattern natin for the intro, it's a down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. So yung down, down, yung first two down and then first two up strums, dapat sa chord of D lang yon. And then sa up, down, up, dapat nandito ka na sa chord of A. So it should sound like this. Down, down, up, up. Tapos sa up, down, up, transfer to A. Up, down, up, up. Ayan. Again. Down, down, up, up, down, up. Ayan. And then, the same thing with the next two chords, which is Bm7 and A. So, for the two down strums and two up strums, Bm7. And then for the up, down, up, transfer to the next chord, which is the chord of A. Again, down, down, up, down, up, Bm7, down, down, up, transfer to the A, up, down, up. And then for the next two chords, diba, D, A, Bm7, A, tapos sa G and A, we're going to do this whole strumming pattern in each of the chords. So for the G, down, down, up, down, up. And then for the A, down, down, up, down, up. Again, 1, 2, 3, go. Down, down, up, 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 down. So after the intro of the song, we have the verses and we have two verses of the song, verse 1 and verse 2. And kung ano yung gagawin natin sa verse 1, yun din yung gagawin natin sa verse 2. The same chord progression, the same strumming pattern. Okay? So, dito sa verse 1, yung chord progression natin is still the same. D, A, Bm7, A, G, A. Okay? But, sa D, A, Bm7, and A, sa chord progression natin, okay, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, down, up. And then for the last two chords, we have G and A. Yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Okay? So, may ganito yung intro, verse natin. Down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then again, pagdating natin sa G and A, the last two chords, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then we're going to do that thing twice. Okay? So, down, down, up, down, up, 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 down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. Sabi nila, balang araw darating, ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating, ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli. So after the verses of the song, we have the refrain and we have multiple strumming patterns for this part. Pero huwag kayong mag-alala because all the strumming patterns, all the things that you need is placed on the description box, yung printable sheet link. So you may download that and save it onto your mobile phones. So again, dito sa refrain, maging ganito siya. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot ko sa galimang ika'y mawawala. Ayan. Okay? So for the first line of the song, we have the chords G and A, ang pag-asang nahanap ko. So yung strumming pattern natin dyan is down, down, up, down, up. And then the same thing with the chord of A, down, down, up, down, up. Again, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then after that one, we have the second line, Sayong mga mata. And as you can see there, we have slash in every chord, slash sa D, slash sa A, slash sa B minor 7. Meaning you have to strum once per chord in that line. And then after that one, balik mo na naman sa B minor 7 and then you have to do like a transition na down, up, down, up. So, down, 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 up, down, up. And then after that one, we have the chords, we have the chord of G and A. And then yung strumming pattern natin is down, 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 up, 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 down, up, down, up, down, down, up, 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 down, up, down, up. And then lastly, we have the chord of D and A. Ito yung parang transition natin from refrain to chorus. And then yung strumming pattern natin dyan is down, up, up, down. So sa D is down, up, up. And then for the chord of A, we have down. Okay? So medyo mabilis yung pagka-explain ko, but it should look like this. Down, okay, position, first chord G, down, down, up, down, up, then move to the chord of A, down, down, up, down, up, and then for D, A, B minor 7, down, 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 tapos again, do not move this finger, and then strum, down, up, still B minor 7, so pagdating natin sa G, down, down, up, 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 down, up, transfer, tapos last two chords, down, up, down. Ayan. So, let's try to sing the refrain again in 3, 2, 1, go. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata at ang takot ko sa galimang ika'y mawawala. Ayan. And then after that part is the chorus. And nandito na tayo sa chorus. So yung gagawin natin dito, still we have two main strumming patterns, the down, down, up, and then for the last two chords, we have G and A, and then we're going to do the same thing na down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down. Okay? So for the D, A, B minor 7, and A, yung strumming pattern natin is down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And then again, for the last two chords, down, down, up, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down. Okay? So, 1, 2, 3, go. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ko sa walang hanggan, di basahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. And then after that one, i-connect mo na siya sa interlude, and then the interlude should be played the same with our intro. Okay? So after the interlude is the verse 2 of the song, and as I have said earlier, yung chord progression natin and strumming pattern is the same sa verse 2. So ano yung ginawa natin kanina sa verse 1, yun din yung gagawin natin sa verse 2. So yung gagawin na lang natin ngayon is kakantahin natin yung verse 2. 2, 3, go. At sa wakas ay nahanap ko na rin ang aking tanging hinihiling. Pangako sa'yo na ika'y uunahin na hindi na itatanggi. And after the verse 2 is the refrain. So, babalik ka na naman sa refrain. And then, the same. And then, ayun, after that one is the chorus, adlib. Tapos yung adlib natin is the same with the interlude or the intro. And then, after that one is the last chorus. Sabi nila, balang araw darating ang iyong tanging hinihiling. At nung dumating ang aking panalangin ay hindi na maikubli. Ang pag-asang nahanap ko sa iyong mga mata, at ang takot ko sakali mang ika'y mawawala. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ko sa walang hanggan, di ba
hinahanap ko sa iyong pagmamahal, ang dudulot sa pag-ibig natin na magtatagal. At ngayon, nandyan ka na, di mapaliwanag ang nadarama. Handa ako sa walang hanggan, di basahin, di ka sasaktan. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, ikaw at ako. At ngayon, nandito na, palaging hahawakan iyong mga kamay. Di ka na mag-isa sa hirap at ginhawa, kaibigin ka. Mula noon hanggang ngayon, mula ngayon hanggang dulo, ikaw at ako.
Hey guys, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up, and if you're interested to watch my latest ukulele cover or tutorials, you may click the video right here, and if you're interested to watch my latest vlogs, you may click the video right there. And I'll see you guys on my next video, and make sure to subscribe.